Hey guys, this is Ravindra. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about color grading and how to color grade your videos and make it look cinematic. Well, you don't have to edit each and every video clip that you've captured from different cameras. Instead, you do all the clipping in one shot and then adjust the color in one single go with the click of just few buttons. So before we go any further, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit on that bell icon to get all the latest updates. I'll be sharing many more videos. And let me not waste too much of your time with all the intro, and let's dive into Premiere Pro right away.
Sometimes the footage we shoot looks really boring, grayish and washed out. We all want to make this dull video look super special and pop out of the screen. So in this video I will show you how to color grade your dull video by making minor adjustments for the entire video, thereby saving time while editing, and hopefully it will make your shots look much more cinematic. So let's open Premiere Pro. Import few clips that are to be color graded. Place them in the timeline and get ready for editing these clips. Make all the necessary trimming of videos and finalize on the clip that you want in the final video. Here I have selected 3 video clips from Manali to Leh trip that I have shared on YouTube. You may check the card above for more on that trip. Also, I have used wrap stabilizer to stabilize these clips as the video were captured handheld using an old action camera at 1080p. As these videos lack a bit of contrast, let's first fix that. Note that as a best practice, the color grading is to be done at the end after all video and music trimming. I will make a new adjustment layer. This way we can apply the same corrections to all the clips. We will keep the default settings here. And now we can drag the adjustment layer to the timeline and stretch it out all over the clips. And in the effects panel we will look for Lumetri color. You can find this under video effects color correction. Note that the adjustment layer has to be selected and not the individual clip, else all the changes that you make will affect that individual video clip and not all of them. Now we can go to create section. In here you will find some presets that are available to apply on your clip. Let me select one of these. There are many presets available within Premiere Pro, or you may even import free or paid presets that are available in the market. Left click on the preview to apply. You can now clearly see the color difference and there is a drastic change in color. We can use some basic color corrections. For that, we have to go to basic correction section in the effects panel. Here we can adjust the temperature, tints, exposure, contrast, highlights, shadows, whites and blacks. You can just play with the sliders and see what is best for your footage. It still might need some minor adjustments based on your footage. On completing this, check the other clips if the same settings will match all the clips or not. If there is a clip where the settings did not match, then you may want to exclude that clip by trimming the adjustment layer and edit that video separately. But make sure that the color grading is consistent throughout. So that's it guys, the video is now ready to be exported. So here is the final before and after for each of the clips.
Well, if you like this video, then you can support my work by subscribing to my YouTube channel. Hit on that bell icon and leave a comment if you have any queries. Cheers. Bye.